Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic list that depends on a checkbox state. Okay, I'm here in the practice file. Highlight the range you want to insert a checkbox and jump to the Insert tab. Click the checkbox icon. The checkbox works easily, it has two states. When you click it, the cell value is true. If the checkbox remains unchecked, the cell value is false. We would like to create a dynamic list where the daily participants are visible. To do that, use the filter function to create a dynamic list. The filter function uses two arguments. The array is the data you want to display, in this case, the names column. The second argument is a logical expression, and it works simply. If the Boolean value is true, then the viewer attended the conference. Choose the first column. Type an equal sign and add true. Press Enter. Filter is a dynamic array function, so the result spills into the range I3 and I7. You can dynamically change the state of the checkboxes. The formula will reflect the adjustments in real time. Thanks for being with us today. For the latest Excel tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.